Your eyes and picture this. 30 days from now, your skin is glowing, your hair is shining, your grades are straight A's, and you're rocking that confident vibe like never before. Now, open your eyes and start working to change this dream into reality. This video will be your perfect roadmap for making this dream a reality. It doesn't matter what your age is, making yourself your best version should be your top priority. Real Glow Up is transforming into the best version of yourself inside and out by improving your confidence, mindset, health, and overall self-care. And summer is the perfect time for this because exams are finished, and it's the best time to glow up for new session. While everyone else will be wrapped in blankets watching Netflix, there will be someone focusing on themselves, and that's you. Let's start.
Welcome to Priyacore.
1. Analyzing your body. You might have noticed that whatever celebrities wear looks good on them, but if you try the same thing, it might look weird on you. Whether it's glasses, jeans, or tops, the reason behind this is they know their face type, body type, and best colors. And you don't. To achieve a true glow up, you need to know your own body type and face type. There are 4 basic face shapes. To determine yours, open this app and upload a makeup-free photo. Make sure to take the photo in natural light and avoid using any filters. The app will then tell you your face shape. Round face. We want to give the illusion of a longer face, so opt for clothes with vertical lines like long flowing tops or jackets that are a bit longer. V-neck and scoop neck shirts are your best friends. Stay away from round necks or super loose clothing that might emphasize your face's roundness. Square face. We want to soften those angles. Try wearing soft, flowing fabrics or clothes with curved lines. Off-shoulder tops or dresses with rounded necklines are great choices. These will add a bit of flow to your look and create a balanced appearance. Heart-shaped face. You can balance out the width of your forehead and chin by adding volume to the lower half of your body. Try A-line skirts or pants with a wider hem to create more balance. Avoid clothes with heavy necklines. Opt for soft, draped tops to keep things smooth and flowing. Diamond-shaped face. Focus on your neckline and shoulders. Go for sweetheart or scoop neck tops to balance out the width of your cheekbones. Stay away from clothes with sharp, angular lines. Softer, rounder styles are key to making your face shape shine. Face shape affects necklines, hairstyles, and accessories, making your face look balanced. Body shape decides clothing fit and proportions, enhancing your figure. Dressing for both creates a complete, flattering, and stylish look.
To find your body type, you have to measure these body parts: shoulders, bust, waist, and hips. Follow the steps shown on the screen, then note down your measurements. Then, open this website and fill in your measurements. Within a few seconds, this app will tell you your results. Basically, there are 5 body shapes: rectangle, hourglass, pear, apple, and inverted triangle. If you have a rectangle shape, add curves by wearing belts to define your waist, tops for volume, and high-waisted bottoms to elongate your legs. Structured blazers and tops with ruffles or embellishments can also create dimension. If you have an hourglass shape, highlight your curves with body-hugging fabrics like wrap dresses, fitted tops, and pencil skirts. Choose clothing that emphasizes your waist, such as belted dresses or high-waisted pants, and avoid overly baggy outfits. If you have a pear shape, balance your silhouette by drawing attention to your upper body. Wear brighter, detailed tops, off-shoulder or boat necklines, and A-line skirts or wide leg pants to flatter your hips. Avoid overly tight bottoms. If you have an apple shape, elongate your figure with empire waist dresses, V-neck tops, and flowy fabrics. Focus on showcasing your legs with slim or straight pants and avoid overly tight or boxy styles around the midsection. If you have an inverted triangle shape, soften your broad shoulders with V necklines, flared skirts, or wide leg pants to balance your figure. Avoid tops with heavy detailing like puffed sleeves or shoulder pads. Second is skincare. Apply pimple patches for pimples and acne. They are a quick and effective solution made with hydrocolloid, which absorbs pus, oil, and impurities from surface-level pimples, reducing size and redness overnight. Some pimple patches are designed to be invisible or ultra-thin, making them perfect for daytime use. Ice cube water. There are so many celebrities who use this, like Kendall Jenner, Jennie, IU, and Sana. Ice cube water helps soothe inflammation, reduce puffiness, tighten pores, boost circulation, and refresh your skin, giving it a natural glow. It's a quick and simple way to rejuvenate your skin, especially in the morning. Just remember to wrap the ice in a cloth to avoid irritation. Gently apply it to your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, then pat your skin dry. Twice daily skincare. Many girls show laziness in doing skincare, but you just need a 3-step routine for youthful-looking skin. Always purchase products according to your skin type. 1. Cleanser. Removes dirt, excess oil, and impurities that can clog pores, helping to prevent acne and breakouts. 2. Toner. Balances the skin's pH, tightens pores, and provides hydration. It also removes any leftover residue after cleansing, leaving the skin fresh and prepared for the next step. 3. Moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration. A lightweight moisturizer keeps the skin balanced, preventing dryness and ensuring it remains soft, smooth, and healthy. Sunscreen. Protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing sunburn, reducing the risk of skin cancer, and stopping premature aging. It also helps maintain an even skin tone and keeps your skin healthy. Daily use is essential for long-term skin protection. Third is physical fitness. A true glow-up comes from being both physically and mentally fit. While self-acceptance is important, the reality is that society often places a higher value on physical appearance. Taking care of your body not only enhances your confidence but also reflects discipline and self-respect, which naturally attract others. You can do 45 minutes of daily exercise to stay physically fit. These 45 minutes should include a mix of exercises like stretching, planks, and yoga. A mix of these exercises ensures a balanced fitness routine, enhancing both physical and mental health. There are many good videos on YouTube for this. And here are some best recommendations. Fourth is hygiene. Regular cleanliness, including bathing, oral care, and menstrual hygiene, helps avoid health issues like skin infections and UTIs. Bathing. Showering daily or at least every other day with mild soap and warm water helps remove dirt, sweat, and bacteria. It's one of the easiest ways to start your day feeling fresh. Hair care. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to avoid it getting too oily. Keep it clean, but don't overdo it. You want to keep your scalp healthy. Oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing regularly keeps your breath fresh and prevents cavities. A clean mouth makes a big difference in how you feel and how others see you. Menstrual hygiene. Change your pad, tampon, or menstrual cup every 4 to 6 hours to avoid any odor or discomfort. Wash the intimate area with just water, no harsh soaps needed. Hand hygiene. Wash your hands after using the restroom, before eating, and after touching dirty surfaces to avoid germs. Intimate hygiene. Keep things simple. Wash the vaginal area with warm water. Your body takes care of itself, so avoid using strong products. Sixth is your undertone. Have you ever thought that some colors instantly make you look bright and glowing while others make you appear dull and pale? Well, it all depends on your undertone. Every celebrity follows their personal color before choosing their outfit. So, let's find your personal undertone together. To find your undertone, check the veins on your wrist in natural light. If your veins appear blue or purple, you have a cool undertone, and these are your best colors. If they look green, you have a warm undertone, and these are your best colors. If it's a mix of both, you might have a neutral undertone, and these are your best colors. Seventh is body care. Face care isn't the only thing that matters. Body care is just as important. I'm not saying you need to follow a difficult, celebrity-like body care routine, but with a few easy and simple steps, you can achieve that dewy, glowing body just like celebrities. To achieve that idol-like, dewy, soft skin, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dry brushing before showering. Jisoo from Blackpink has mentioned dry brushing as a way to improve blood circulation and smoothen her skin. Suzy is known to use dry brushing to keep her skin healthy and glowing. This is how you can use it too. Use a natural bristle dry brush to gently exfoliate and boost blood circulation. Brush in upward strokes toward your heart, focusing on rough areas like knees and elbows. Dry brushing helps remove dead skin, improves blood flow, reduces cellulite, and helps your skin look smoother and healthier. It also helps your body get rid of toxins. Step 2. Shower routine. Use a hydrating body wash or soap with glycerin, shea butter, or coconut oil for soft, supple skin. I suggest using Dove Pink Beauty Bar or Dove Go Fresh Moisture Bathing Bar because it's gentle, moisturizing, and works well for every skin type, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated after every shower. If you prefer a refreshing scent, you can also try the Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar for a mild, soothing experience. Step 3. Body scrub. Use a sugar or coffee scrub for gentle exfoliation. You can make one yourself or use a market-bought scrub. Apply it in circular motions. It helps remove dead skin cells, making your skin smoother and brighter. Scrubs improve blood circulation, help with hydration, and can reduce ingrown hairs. Regular use can make your skin feel softer and healthier. Step 4. Lock in moisture. Pat your skin dry after a shower, don't rub, and immediately apply a lightweight body oil or gel-based moisturizer. Johnson's Baby Oil is the best and an affordable choice. For an extra dewy finish, layer a few drops of body oil like coconut or almond oil on top. Step 5. Weekly Glow Boost optional. Apply a DIY mask made of yogurt, honey, and turmeric for hydration and a natural glow. For a bath soak, relax in a warm bath with Epsom salts, rose petals, and a few drops of lavender or rosehip oil. Self-care and self-love. Self-care is about doing what keeps you okay mentally, physically, and emotionally. It's eating, sleeping, crying it out if you need to, and sometimes just lying on the bed doing nothing because you're drained. Self-love is deeper. It's looking at yourself, flaws and all, and saying, I'm still worth it. When you mix them, it's like telling yourself, I deserve better, and I'm going to give that to me. It's brushing off the guilt of taking time for yourself, saying no to people who drain you, and choosing things that actually make you happy, not because someone told you to, but because you respect yourself enough to want better. It's messy. Some days, self-care is a face mask. Other days, it's finally cutting off toxic people or asking for help. Some days, self-love is hyping yourself up in the mirror. Other days, it's forgiving yourself for falling apart. It's not perfect, but it's real. You show up for yourself even when it's hard because deep down, you know you're worth the effort. That's where the magic happens.